there, welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to be putting two new Maybelline products to the test. We're going to be doing a demo, first impressions, wear test, and review on the new Master Blur Stick and the Superstay Foundation Stick from Maybelline. I love trying out primers and foundations, and they are from the drugstore, so they're affordable. So I'm really hoping these products are going to work, but we're just going to test it out today. So if you want to know how these products are going to work and if they're going to be worth your money, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. We're going to start off with the Master Blur Stick. I got this from Walmart, and on the Maybelline website it retails for $7.99. This primer stick comes in several different shades. I got the transparent shade just because I felt like it would be best to try this out so everyone can see if it will work. Didn't want to get a specific skin type that's only geared towards certain people. Wanted to do something that would be good for everybody. But you can get it in a light to medium, or you can get it in the medium to dark, medium tan shade. So it is good that you have options, but I figured I would go for the transparent shade, so it'd be good to test out for a lot of people and not only towards fair skin or deep skin. So on the website, the description of the product is that this is a Master Blur Stick primer makeup. It instantly creates a smooth and even surface to prep skin for foundation and makeup application. The benefits is that this tinted primer is Maybelline's first one-stroke skin blurring tool. You can achieve a smooth and seamless starting point for your makeup look with this pore minimizing primer stick. This No Mess Essential is available in a universally flattering hue and range of skin matching shades. The instructions it gives on the website is to apply this face primer stick to areas of your face before using foundation, or wear alone for a poreless skin effect, apply onto clean skin. Thought I'd give you guys a close-up on what the packaging looks like. It just comes in a plastic tube. It gives the description of the product, the name, and once we open it, it does have a twist up to it, and you can see it kind of just looks like a lip balm, but it's clearly going to be transparent on the skin. Oh, and I did forget to mention this comes with 3.3 ounces of product, so you're going to get that much. And for a primer, it seems like that's going to be quite enough product, but we shall see. On the website, it didn't say that this was geared toward any specific skin type, so I'm hoping that this is going to work for everyone. I do have combination skin. It can get oily, it can get dry, kind of depends on the weather. It's just all over the place, honestly. But that's my skin type. Thought I'd give you guys a little overview just to let you guys know. But I do have larger pores on this area of my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and it said to just apply it straight onto the skin. And I'm not sure how much I'll need, but I'll apply a good amount. Got the nose and then above the lip. And I guess I'll just lightly tap it in. Feels pretty lightweight. Okay, it seemed like it really blurred out the areas where I applied the primer. I feel like it basically made all of the pores disappear, like it literally blurred it over, blurred them out, really made them disappear. I'm gonna take the primer a little bit out past the cheek. So far, I'm very impressed with the primer. It really blurred everything out. It clearly made my skin foundation ready, so I like how it looked. I liked how it made my skin look. So as far as the foundation, on the Maybelline website, it retails for $9.99. There are 16 shades. Definitely not the largest shade range that I have seen. Now, Maybelline actually already has a liquid version of this foundation out, the Superstay Full Coverage Liquid Foundation, and I really like it, so I'm hoping that I will like this just as much. The foundation stick comes with 0.25 ounces of product, and if we're gonna compare to the liquid foundation, it comes with, I think, 1 ounce. Comparing it to the Superstay Liquid Foundation, it has the same amount of shades, and it retails for $11.99. So the description of this product on the website says that this Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick makeup is formulated with a cream to matte finish and pointed blender sponge for easy and quick application at home or out on the town. And the benefits of the product is whether you're looking for a cream foundation or a contour foundation, this multitasking stick is a must-have essential that conceals, contours, highlights, and covers. Our first all-in-one foundation stick features a cream to matte foundation and a precision pointed blender sponge that is perfect for applying cream foundation at home or touching up your look on the go. The directions for applying it says that you can apply this foundation stick onto skin and blend with fingertips. So this is a dual-ended foundation stick. It comes with this This is the foundation stick, which you do not get too much product, but I'm not sure. I don't have a lot of experience with foundation sticks. I have the majority of my foundations are liquid foundations. So we'll see, maybe a little bit goes a long way. It doesn't really say anything specific about if this foundation is geared towards specific skin types, so this is good. I mean, it does say that it has a soft matte finish, but usually matte finishes aren't perfect for people with dry skin, but we will see how aggressive the matte finish is. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna twist this up and get to applying. I'm not sure how much to apply. Oh, I did forget to mention the shade that I purchased. I got 120 Classic Ivory. We're gonna try one side with the sponge, which I am super skeptical about, not gonna lie, but we're gonna see how it goes. I mean, it's such a small sponge. I feel like it would honestly take eternity to actually blend this out. I feel like with this sponge, I'm just swiping down. I'm not able to really stipple it in. But I'm not angry at this sponge. Like, it's not the worst thing. I've definitely tried worse. Okay, so this is the side with the sponge, and I'm gonna leave this side for a beauty blender because that's what I typically use for foundations. Really like it. It's covered up everything really well. It definitely feels super lightweight, and for the coverage I'm getting, pretty darn good. It feels super soft. I'm not feeling my skin very dried. I don't feel like the foundation sucked the life out of my skin. It feels super nice, super comfortable. So let's go ahead and apply some more on the other side, and we'll see how it works with the beauty blender. Okay, so this is the side with the sponge that it came with, and this is the side with the beauty blender. I don't really see a difference. I feel like that they both blended out the same. So I feel like either way it's gonna work. Honestly, if you wanted to decide between this and a beauty blender, I'd probably choose the beauty blender just because they gave the same finish, and the beauty blender is so much faster than using this tiny micro size sponge. So it is 2:45 in the evening. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup. I'll come back, talk with you guys about the foundation a little bit more, and we'll do updates throughout the day to see how this wears. Back, just finished my makeup. It's now 3:01. So I believe I put on the foundation at 2:45. So I've had it on for 15 minutes, finished off the rest of my makeup, and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up, but I just wanted to talk about the foundation a little bit more. I'm super impressed. The magic that primer did to my skin was amazing. I love how much it blurred it out. It blurred out all of my pores, made my skin foundation ready, and really prepped it beautifully. So super impressed with the primer for sure, something I'm already loving. For foundation, I really like it. It did not sink into any fine lines so far. It does not feel heavy whatsoever, and for the coverage you're getting, super nice, really good. It does not feel like a super harsh matte finish, so I feel if you did have dry skin but wanted to try this out, you could always apply a hydrating or a illuminating primer, or apply or mix in a little bit of oil drops or something to make it work for you, but I feel like it didn't suck the life out of my skin. It blended out nicely. I'm not noticing any cakiness. I feel like I didn't have to go in with much product to get the coverage that I wanted. So I am going to do updates throughout the day. I may just do one at the end of the day. We'll see how it goes, just to update you guys on the foundation. But let me bring you guys in for a close-up real quick, and then I'll head out. All right, so give you guys a little close-up. I'll give you guys a quick close-up here. Beautiful, flawless, like, oh, this foundation is good. I'm back for an update. It is 4:26, so about 4:30. I've been wearing it for about 3 hours, and the foundation so far is holding up really well. I haven't really been doing anything that's really making my skin work or skin sweat or anything. So anyways, the foundation's holding up really well. I don't notice that it has done any caking up. It hasn't settled into any fine lines, and usually foundations will settle into my fine lines, but I haven't found that this foundation does that. I am going to be doing a very short wear test today. I can tell that I'm really liking the foundation. I like how it's wearing. So I think that I am going to cut it off as far as the wear test. I just wanted to really focus on what my first thoughts were, and I will provide updates in the description box below as time goes on, how I enjoyed the foundation, how it wore. But so far, I'm really liking this foundation, and I can tell that it's gonna wear super well. Is the foundation something that like I would use every day? No, it's not. It's not my everyday foundation for me personally. I really do like it. I don't find anything wrong with it. It's just one of those foundations that like I wouldn't choose over some of my favorite foundations in my makeup collection that I already have. But for the price, I would not hesitate to buy this, especially if you have oily skin and you're looking for a nice matte foundation that's not going to make you look more oily, but it's not going to suck the life out of your skin either. This would be a good one for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this first impressions review and demo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the future posts that I make here on my channel. And I will have my social media pages linked in the description box below, and I will have my usernames up in the corners above as well. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so, so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.